It's time to unbox the shy little rock star, and I'm super excited. She's my third Nendoroid doll, and honestly, she might be my favorite. Let me show you why. Hi, I'm Tatiana from the Dolly Insider. Today, I'm unboxing the Nendoroid doll Hitori Gotoh from Bocchi the Rock. We're going to take a look at everything she comes with, get her dressed, and then I'll show you a few fun poses at the end. Here she is on the box. I love how they posed her. She looks so nervous and adorable. Here's everything she comes with. We got a cute tracksuit, skirt, shoes, the whole look. Time to get her dressed. Oh, look at this. So comfy. Do they make this in human size? Look at that face. So sweet and adorable. I'm seriously in love. And here she is, ready to rock. So that's Hitori Gotoh in Nendo doll form. Let me know in the comments, what Nendoroid dolls do you have in your collection? And if you want to see more dolly unboxings, be sure to subscribe. Okay, that's it for now. I'll see you in the next one.